Hello everyone, welcome to ITCPower. ITCPower empower your business. Today we are conducting a quality inspection on one of our diesel generator sets, rated at 230 volts, 50 Hz, designed for reliable single-phase power output. In this video, we will show you how we test it. We checked outside, the inside. At ITCPower, quality isn't just a final step, built into every stage for production.
We will now conduct a grounding test to confirm the grounding resistance meets the required standards. Next, we will perform a temperature control test. When overheating occurs, we will check whether the generator can shut down automatically. We will then simulate low oil pressure to check if automatic shutdown functions operate correctly. At the same time, we will test the functionality of the ATS to ensure the unit can be automatically started and stopped. We will also conduct the fuel level sensor test to ensure the sensor's ability to trigger a shutdown in the event of abnormal diesel levels. Utilizing a load bank, we will perform an overload test on the unit to assess its actual load capacity and check its overload shutdown protection. Finally, we will complete the RCD test on the circuit breaker to confirm that leakage trip current can stop the generator, and this response time complies with regulatory standards.